The sound is U. U. Please repeat, children. U. For example, K, U, K, U, Q, Q. B, U, B, U, blue, blue. G, U, G, U, glue, glue. Q, blue, glue. Great job, children! Some long U words end with UTE letters. The sound is yut, yut. Please repeat, children. Yut. For example, yut, yut, mute, mute. K, yut, K, yut, cute, cute. F, yut, F, yut, flute, flute. Mute, cute, flute. Great job, children! Some long U words end with UBE letters. The sound is yub, yub. Please repeat, children. Yub. For example, T, yub, T, yub, tube, tube. K, yub, K, yub, cube, cube. Tube, cube. Some long U words end with URE letters. The sound is your, your. Please repeat, children. Your. For example, K, your, K, your, cure, cure. P, your, P, your, pure, pure. Cure, pure. Some long U words end with ULE letters. The sound is Yule, Yule. Please repeat, children. Yule. For example, Yule, Yule, mule, mule. Her, Yule, her, Yule, rule, rule. Mule, rule.